Now, at the beginning of the video here, guys, I mentioned being excited about some brand new features that have been added to Webull, and by far the biggest is their new AI assistant, which is called Vega. So I want to show you how to use that now. In order to access it, you're going to click on this blue circle that moves around to the right of the search bar, and this is going to bring us to the AI chatbot. This is basically like a ChatGPT for investors, where you can ask basic questions and get answers in near real time rather than having to dig through many different data sources. We're going to say, what is the most recent EPS or earnings per share for NVIDIA? And then we're just going to click on the arrow there to submit our request. And below that, we can see the thinking or reasoning going on as it comes up with this answer for us on the spot. And then after about 20 seconds, it mentions that the thinking is completed, and it gives us the answer here that their most recent diluted EPS for the third quarter was $1.30, and it shows us the trend here over time as well.